Good morning everyone. In today's class we are going to see a sum in measurements, okay? How to find the area and perimeter of the following parallelogram, okay? Okay, now first we have to see the given diagram, okay? In the parallelogram they have given AB is 11 centimeter and AD is 4 centimeter. We know that in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. So we can write DC is equal to AB. So AB is 11 centimeter. So DC is what? DC is also 11 centimeter. Then DA is 4 centimeter. So the opposite side CB is also what? 4 centimeter. And what they have given in the dotted lines, they have given 3 centimeters. So that is the height. So that is the height of the parallelogram. So we have to write the given first. Given AB is what? Base. So base is equal to 11 centimeter and height. Height is equal to what? 3 centimeter. Now we know the area of the parallelogram formula, right? What is the area of the parallelogram formula? Base into height square units. Now I am going to write the formula area of parallelogram in blue color chalk, okay? So area of the parallelogram is equal to what? Base into height square units. Always remember to write the square units, okay? So the next step is equal to what? Base is what? 11 centimeter they have given into height is what they have given? 3 centimeter, right? So 3 square units. Here the units is centimeter. So centimeter square because square units, okay? The next step is equal to 11 into 3 how much? 33. So 33 centimeter square. So now we have found the area of parallelogram. So that A is equal to 33 centimeter square, okay? Next step they have said to find the perimeter of the parallelogram, okay? I am going to write in orange color, okay? Perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to what? We know the sum of 4 sides. What? Sum of 4 sides. Okay, the next step is equal to sum of 4 sides what? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. DA is equal to AB is what? 11 centimeter plus BC what? 4 centimeter plus CD is 11 centimeter plus DA is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So the next step is equal to 11 plus 4 how much? 15, right? So 15 plus 11 how much? 26. So 26 plus 4 how much? 30. So the answer is 30 centimeter. So now we have found the perimeter of parallelogram. P is equal to what? 30 centimeter. Now we have find area of the parallelogram is 33 centimeter square and perimeter is what? Equal to 30 centimeter.